Hi, it's Mark Gallucci with Digital Control Incorporated. I'm here to help you get started with your new Aurora Vision Training Simulator. Let's check it out. Let's start with all of the parts of your VR trainer. A Legion Lenovo VR console and power cable, a Vive Cosmos headset and controllers with batteries, a Vive Link box with power adapter, a DisplayPort cable and a USB cable, a keyboard and mouse. You'll also need a monitor and HDMI cable, which aren't included. To get started, let's clear a 10-foot by 10-foot space. This will be your play area. Set up your VR console and monitor next to this area with access to a surge-protected power outlet. Plug an HDMI cable into the VR console. Your system comes with a wired mouse. Plug the USB cable from the mouse into the top row of USB ports on the VR console. Do not use the ports in the front. And now the keyboard USB. Then plug the USB 3.0 cable into one of the USB 3.0 ports in the middle row on the back of the VR console. If you are using a wireless keyboard and mouse, remove the USB cables and plug the wireless USB dongles into one of the ports in the top row for the best wireless connectivity. Plug in larger end of the DisplayPort cable into the unique DisplayPort. The last part is to plug in the power cable. Great, that's all the cables for the VR console. Plug in the other end of the HDMI cable to your monitor. Every monitor is different, but the HDMI socket is unique. Plug in the monitor power. Again, every monitor is different. The link box connects the VR console to the headset and controller. Let's start with the power cable. Plug it into the back in the first socket. Next is the other end of the DisplayPort cable. Plug it into the middle socket. The sockets have unique shapes, so you can't mix them up. The last one on the back is the other end of the USB cable. And finally, the headset cable goes into the front of the link box. That's it for the link box. Okay, now that all the cables are connected, we can plug into the power, the monitor, the VR console, and the link box. Now we can turn everything on, starting with the VR console, the link box, the monitor. Now, pick up the controllers and press the Vive buttons to turn them on. Pick up the headset. Put the headset on and adjust for fit. Your Aurora Vision system hardware is ready to go.